Today we are going to do some laser genesis of the eyes from our client here. Laser genesis actually helps rejuvenate and help with the fine lines and wrinkles, redness, puffiness, and it's from rosacea, and it's a really just an excellent restorative procedure. So for her, we're just going to go right here under the eyes and take care of some of these fine lines and wrinkles. And our client recently did have a chemical peel, but it is not going to affect it. There is no contraindications for the service for as far as that goes. She has been off of retinoids for a while, so this is perfectly safe. So we're just going to go right underneath the eye. You see that she is wearing her protective goggles because we don't want to damage the ocular orbit. So we're just going to begin with this laser. You can see the nice little light bringing out there, and it's just going to heat up the skin and below the tissues. How does that feel, my client?
Great. Now, will this help with large pores if I decided to do my full face?
Absolutely. It certainly will. It takes care of that. It helps with acne as well. So all ages, all from the younger crowd with the acne, cystic acne, rosacea, all the way up to help with the fine lines and rejuvenation of the older skin. Helps with especially with the pore size and oil production.
Feels really nice. It's just nice and warm.
That's a good thing about it. It doesn't hurt. It's not painful. It's just nice and warm and relaxing. Pardon my shadow there, but and when you leave, this is a quick treatment that you can do even on your lunch break. You're not going to have any downtime. You can go back to putting your makeup back on right after it. You will be a little pink when you leave the office, but that is to be expected. But again, you can easily cover that back up. The only thing that I tell you is no saunas, don't lay out in the sun, but I don't think anybody's worried about that at this time of year. You're not going to go lay out in the sun, are you?
No, ma'am.
Good answer. And I've had people ask me before, what are you wiping off when you're doing this? I'm not wiping anything. I'm just kind of cooling the skin back down so that we can still get a little more heat in there. Because our goal is just to get that heat built up in the skin underneath so that the skin can rejuvenate, repair, rebuild, produce new collagen. And that's all we're going to do for one eye. And then now I'm going to switch over and we're going to do the same thing for the other side. So how do you feel? How does that side feel?
It feels great. It has the softest hands.
Yes. Just a preliminary wipe, make sure there's no excess makeup or anything that I've already missed, even though we did clean her off before we began. See how nice and pink that is there? It's very good, and that will, and you'll see that it'll fade before she even leaves.
Now, how often should I get this done?
Recommend every 6 weeks. A good 3 to 6 treatments will help with most issues. And of course, always wear your sunscreen in between. Still feeling okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. This is one of my favorite technical difficulties. Okay. So we're going back to this eye, and if you can see, since we have last saw this, it has definitely cooled down and calmed down on that side. So when she leaves here, she's not going to be completely red, and if she wants to put makeup right back on, she certainly can, or she doesn't have to, because it looks great. If anyone is interested, we have several openings available tomorrow for this procedure, and we'll be more than happy to get you in here and get this done. It is one of my favorite procedures. Almost done. Okay, and she is finished for today.
That was really a nice treatment.
So if you are interested in getting this excellent procedure, again, we have several openings available tomorrow. We are here in Salem at the 218 West Main Street. Give us a call here at 540-389-0909, and one of our lovely ladies will get you in to get this done, and we can begin to get your new you back to where you want to be.